Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Today in Fatima Ali's kitchen we are making you a green seasoning. In Senegambian we call it Nokoss. So we've got our spring onion here, nice and clean. We've got garlic here. We've got parsley here, curly parsley. You can use a flat one as well. We've got chilies here. We've got peppers here, red, yellow, green. We've got mint here. And we've got coriander here. Also, we're going to be adding 2 tablespoons of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of salt. We're going to add oil as well, half a cup, and vinegar, half a cup. Oil and vinegar is good for the seasoning so that it can keep it a little bit longer, preserve more like, and the salt, so that we can keep it maybe for at least 2 or 3 weeks when we make it. So that's what we're going to do for you guys today. So we're going to start blending our garlic. Put garlic in first. And we're going to add some peppers in. And we're going to start blending this. And we're going to add onions. You have to add slowly so that you don't fill it up too much. And it's going to be hard to blend it. Add the chilies in. So guys, there you have it. This is our green seasoning in Senegambian called Nokoss. We've put it in 2 jars here. That's what we've got. And I'm going to put these in the fridge and keep them cool. So whenever I am cooking my cookings, I'll be taking a spoonful of it and add it. I'm sure you've seen it in my previous videos. I keep adding my green Nokoss or my green seasoning all the time, and I keep telling you guys that I will make it for you. So there you have it. We've made it today. Yay! Well done, us and my little camera crew. So if you like our video, thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe and share our videos, because we've got so much amazing videos to come in your way anytime soon, inshallah. So please comment, subscribe and share and like our videos. We love you all. Thank you all for watching. Bye.